guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys a skincare review. You guys, about a couple weeks ago, I did a live video and I showed you guys the Jet Set hydration kit that I bought. And I was super excited to try it out. You guys wanted me to do a review and tell you about it after I try it out. And today's that day. I'm gonna tell you all about this kit, how much it costs, does it work, what do I think about it. All of your questions hopefully will get answered in this video. If you're new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. Join the Bomb Beauty community here. I hope you will stay. And if you like skincare reviews, make sure to give me a like so I can know that you like these type of videos, and I'll definitely make more. First off, my skin. I have dry, normal, mostly dry skin. I have a lot of pigmentation issues. I sometimes get dry patches, and I have really dry under eyes. I have sensitive skin, and I have hormonal breakouts right now because I just finished breastfeeding my baby. So there's a lot going on with my skin. So let's just get into it. So this is the Jet Set hydration kit. Comes in a bag like this. It is a Ziploc bag, so you can zip it back up. Not really Ziploc. What is it called where it sticks together? It's a reusable open bag. Okay, in it comes 5 products. The Daily Face Cleanser, the Prep and Hydrate Balm, the Nourishing Night Cream, the Daily Hydration Moisturizer, and the Illuminating Eye Cream. First off, we're going to talk about how much it costs, what e.l.f. claims about this whole kit. Then we'll go through the demo of me trying everything for the first time, and then we'll go through each individual product, what I think about it, and then at the very end, just the overall view of who I think this would cater to. Do I think it's a good buy? Do I think it's a good kit? So this whole kit retails for $15. I will link it below. And it says, take your skincare favorites with you everywhere you go with this hydrating TSA ready travel sized kit. The kit includes Daily Face Cleanser, 30 milliliters, Prep and Hydrate Balm, 6 grams, Daily Hydration Moisturizer, 25 milliliters, Nourishing Night Cream, 15 grams, Illuminating Eye Cream, 7 grams. They are cruelty-free and vegan, if you're wondering. And it has 4.3 star review, like star status. So they do say that this is like more for a traveling kit. I think this is also great as a trial kit where you can just try these products before you commit to buying the full size products of each of these, which I think is really, really great. So there's 5 products in here, so it comes out to being $3 a product, which I don't think is very bad, especially since I've been using this now for over 2 weeks and I still have a lot of product in each of them. I feel like they give you a generous size amount. It's not something that's like a one-time use kind of thing. You can use it throughout the weeks, and it's probably, I think this would all probably be a month's worth if I was getting really heavy-handed, which I'm very light-handed with my products. Sorry if you hear Iris tweeting in the background. Apologize for that. So let's go through the demo. I'll show you guys me applying it for the very first time, and I have been using this for a while, so my opinions will be after using it for a while. But I'll show you the demo of these, and then we'll come back and talk about each individual product. Oh, look at this craziness. Look at this. Jet Set hydration. Okay, so you kind of got to see the demo of me putting everything on. You can see my skin issues, my skin. I'll also show you guys what my skin looks like today. You can kind of see. I don't have breakouts. I still have just like dark spots, and I do have some dryness, one dry patch, but nothing too bad. Okay, let's start off with the Daily Face Cleanser. First off, all of these products smell really, really good. Very fresh, very clean. They don't necessarily smell citrusy, and they don't necessarily smell fruity. They just smell very clean and fresh. Yeah, they just smell really, really, really fresh and amazing. So the Daily Face Cleanser, I was super impressed with this. I think I would totally get a full size of this because it's very gentle. I feel like it cleans your face without leaving your face feeling dry and stripped. I don't like my face feeling extra dry, extra tight. You know, like once your face, you use a cleanser and your face just feel like tight. I don't like that feeling. I feel like it strips my skin out of all of its goodness, natural hydration that it has. I think it adds a little bit of hydration, and I think it's really nice and soft and gentle. I do have sensitive skin, and I really, really love this. I also think if you have like a brush you like to use with your cleansers, this is a really good one because it's very smooth and slippy, and it just is really nice. I absolutely love this, and I do feel like it's actually doing something for my skin as well. I don't feel like it's just like water in a bottle. Sometimes some cleansers just seem like it's water in a bottle, like it doesn't seem soapy, doesn't seem like it's actually cleaning your face. I really love this cleanser. It's hydrating, it cleans your face without making it feel tight. I really love it. Next, let's go with the eye cream. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of let down. I am older. I am 28. So and my under eyes are really dry. So I need something heavy duty that's super, super hydrating, that feels almost thick and really kind of sinks into the skin and makes it feel soft and supple and plumpy under there. So this one I felt like is very, very thin. This is very, very thin consistency. So someone that has oily skin or someone that doesn't need like a really thick under eye cream or anything like that, you want something very thin and light but still hydrates, this is going to be for you because it is very thin and it does hydrate. Also, if you're someone that is maybe young, a teen, someone that is getting into makeup, eye creams are still good to use, even if you're a teen. And this is a very good lightweight eye cream that isn't going to be too heavy for you and your youthful skin. It's just really, really good, and it just adds some hydration. So I do like this. I think for me, I need something stronger and more. But for like during the daytime, this is nice. For traveling, I would totally use this, and I think it's nice and very, very thin. Still gives you some hydration, but I just really like thick eye creams, but this is still good. Next is the Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I actually really love this for my daily moisturizer. I think it's thick enough and gives me enough, not thick enough, it's not super thick. It has a good consistency. It doesn't feel watery at all. It definitely feels hydrating in a really nice and soft type of way. Like you can really feel it doing something on my skin, and I really do love it. I think this is a really awesome daily hydration moisturizer. I love it. I do think it's hydrating. I think it's great. I don't think I have to add something on top of this moisturizer. I do like to use like oils and stuff like that as well, but I can also use this all by itself and feel like I have some good hydration onto my skin. So I really love this. I give this one a thumbs up for sure. Next is this Prep Hydrate Balm. So this one's pretty good. I think this one feels very, very, very thin. And this is nice if like I feel like the moisturizer isn't enough and I want to add a little bit more hydration in certain spots. This is nice because it's thin, it blends into the skin, it doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel too sticky and tacky. I've also used this as a primer, and I think it's a pretty good hydrating primer. I don't think that it does much of anything else except add some more hydration to your dry skin. If you just feel like you're extra dry, you really don't need anything to grasp onto your foundation necessarily, or to make your foundation last longer. You just want just a regular primer. This is actually a pretty good one. I do like it. It's not my absolute favorite. I could definitely go without this. I wouldn't go buy a full size of this, but it's nice that it includes into the kit, so I can add it to certain spots to just give me a little bit more hydration, especially in my like dry spots. This is pretty good for that. The last thing is the Nourishing Night Cream. So you use this all over your face. This is another one of those products that I felt like is too thin for me. But if you're a teenager, this is like the teenager, college student, this is the perfect kit for you to use. This is like the perfect skincare. This is something that I would recommend to someone to recommend to myself when I was a teenager, junior high, high school, college. You know, I didn't really use much except I would cleanse my face, wash my face with normal soap sometimes, and just put on, sometimes I wouldn't even put on a moisturizer. This is the kit I would give myself and say, here, take care of your skin, because one day you're gonna be 28 and you're gonna wish you would have taken care of your skin. So like that's what I would give it to. This is a nice night cream, but it's something very, very lightweight. It's also something good that I think that if you have oily skin, you would actually really like, because it will hydrate your skin without being too much, too heavy. I like really heavy night creams. I like my face to feel really plump, very saturated, very kind of just, I really want, my skin really needs to soak up some goodness at night. But if you don't really use night creams, this is a good starter kit. It gives you some good hydration. You can feel the goodness on your skin. It's also something very lightweight. If you like something very lightweight, you don't like anything too thick. And if you're young as well. So that leads me to kind of my final thoughts. I really like this kit. $3 a piece, $15 total for a bunch of products. I think it's great. I think it's great for traveling. I think it's great to try out and see if you want to get like a bigger version of those. I think that if you are my age or older, or if you have as dry skin as me, this might not be enough for you. I think this kit itself is a good deal and you can try it out that way, but I think like I need more than this. I like using my oils and stuff like that. But this is good to pair up with your oils and with your serums. This is great to pair up with that kind of stuff. But I wouldn't use this all on my own. Unless, again, you are 25 and younger, high school, junior high, like it's just young. I think this is a good kit for you. A good starter kit, a good traveling kit. I think this would be fantastic. It really does do a good job of actually hydrating your skin, and you feel that your skin is hydrated. I also didn't break out. I do have sensitive skin. It did not make me break out. It did smell good. It wasn't too overwhelming. I think if you don't like any fragrances, any odor or anything like that, you may not like this. Although this does smell more fresh than perfumey. Those are kind of my thoughts. Like, I really liked pairing these things up with my serums and oils for me, because I have really dry skin and I'm older. So I really liked that, but I could definitely recommend this for somebody younger. They would absolutely love this. And even if you're like me, you can still add this with your oils and your serums. So the things, I'm gonna rate them from my favorite to my least favorite, and then I'm gonna give you guys an extra little review on the e.l.f. Nourishing Facial Oil I've been trying. I'll give you guys my thoughts on that as well. So my number one favorite is probably the Daily Face Cleanser. It's like a tie between the Daily Face Cleanser and the Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I think both of these are really great, and I think that I would totally buy a full-size version of this. I actually had a full-size version of this hydrating moisturizer a while ago, and it came with a pump. I think it's the same. Next, I do like the eye cream because it's something very, very, very light that you can put on like daily use. And then the Nourishing Night Cream. I think my least favorite was this baby because I just didn't feel like it was all that necessary. This little primer, prep and hydrate balm. I use other primers, so I felt like this was just an extra step that wasn't needed. You can also put this underneath the eyes very lightly as well to just add a little bit more of something if you feel like you need it, and that's nice as well. So overall, I give it a thumbs up. I like the kit. It actually is a really good hydration kit. If you need a ton of hydration and you don't have any other products to pair up with these, this one might not be for you, but still, the moisturizer and the cleanser, it might be worth it just to try both of those. Those are really, really good. So I have also been using this kit with the Nourishing Facial Oil. I like this. If you're someone who's new to oils, who has never put on an oil, this is a good one to try because it's not a heavy oil. This is another lightweight oil that is nice. It sinks into your skin quickly. It doesn't feel too slippy or oily. It actually feels like it kind of has a little bit to it. And a lot of people don't like the oily feeling. I love the oily feeling because I know after a couple minutes it's gonna sink into the skin, no problem. But some people get creeped out about that and they feel like it never sinks into the skin. It will. Your oils will sink into your skin. So I think this is a good one to try if you're new to oils. I put this on before I put on the moisturizer on my face every day, and then before the night cream at night, and I think it works so good. It hydrates, it's lightweight so you can use it during the day in the summertime, and it just feels nice. Does it have a scent? No, it doesn't have a scent. So if you have oily skin, probably don't try this. You can try this at night and give yourself a little bit of something. But this is definitely something you want to try if you have dry skin. So those are kind of my thoughts and my review on some of the new e.l.f. skincare. I hope you guys really liked this video. I hope it was helpful. I know you guys have been asking me about their skincare, and I don't do a lot of skincare reviews, but I do try a lot of skincare products, so I'm not sure why I don't do skincare reviews. It's crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, if you guys have any skincare products that you want me to try and you want me to review for you guys, or just suggestions that you think I'd like, comment below and let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.